Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Chrome tabs properly and make your browsing a lot easier and more organized. At the top of Chrome is the tab bar. Each tab opens a different website. To open a new tab, click the plus icon. To open the same page again without reloading, right-click the tab and select Duplicate. Here, I duplicate the Chrome tab, then right-click and choose Close All Tabs on Right. Now let's talk about tab groups. When you right-click on any tab, you'll see an option called Add Tab to New Group. Click it and Chrome creates a group. The group appears with a colored label that looks like a small 4-box icon. You can give the group a name, choose a color, and drag other related tabs into it to keep everything neat and organized. If you don't need the group anymore, simply right-click on the group name and choose Ungroup. All the tabs inside will return to normal individual tabs. You can keep adding new tabs anytime. Here, I'm opening Google News, Gemini, and Calendar in separate tabs. Now, duplicating the Gemini tab. Now I'm ungrouping the duplicate. Next, I'm adding this Gemini tab into a tab group, selecting the color yellow and naming the group Work. Okay, so now we are adding new tab in the group. Again, I'm adding more tabs into the same work group to keep related pages together. You can choose any tab from the list to add. How you are following up. Who can miss Olympics 2026? I'm adding that too, so we can keep track of updates and highlights along with our other important tabs. Now we're splitting the view. This cool feature lets you watch or work on two tabs at the same time without constantly switching back and forth. You can even switch their positions by moving the left window to the right or vice versa, depending on which side you feel more comfortable working on. Another useful feature is adding tabs to the reading list. It shows your saved and active tabs in one place, so you can quickly access and read them later. Now we're reversing the split view, which flips the tab positions. After that, we're returning to the separate window view. Next, I'm pinning a Chrome tab. I've pinned the separate view option, and now I can quickly select any tab I want to open in split tab mode. Back on the Google homepage, you can see many options available. You can also clearly see which tabs are inside a group. Now I'm closing the Fave tab group completely. Next, we're ungrouping the tabs in the Work tab group. All the tabs are now separated and no longer connected to the Work group. Back to the Fave group tab. Click once to view all tabs inside that group, and click again to collapse and show them normally. Now I'm opening the entire group in a new window. Next, I'm pinning the Gemini tab. After thinking about it, I decide to unpin it. Now I'm closing the tabs to the right. Using Close Other Tabs will close all tabs except the current one. Thanks so much for watching. Share your questions in the comment box.